Access to health care across Lane County has diminished in recent years, and that's according to a new assessment by local public health experts. Reporter Aaron Ariano shows us why things have been so difficult and what steps officials are taking.
This is a time to be thinking outside of the box.
I spoke with Assistant Director of Lane County's Health and Human Services, Kachina Inman, about the 2025 Community Health Assessment. Data shows despite gains made through the expansion of Medicaid and reducing rates of people without insurance over the past 10 years, access to health care is declining across Lane County.
And a lot of this isn't necessarily surprising information.
Not surprising, because in recent years, access to health care has been obstructed by so many different blows to the local system, and we've reported on every single one. A growing lack of primary care providers, long wait times for appointments, emergency department closures, and the need for access in rural communities.
Accessing primary care is a struggle in our community. We have a fragile system right now, and so that continues to be an issue.
Inman says despite the troubling trends, resiliency is what's keeping the community afloat.
We are a community that knows how to come together. So my hope is that we can be working on some of those pieces as we have less resources likely to be working with.
Inman says resiliency creates that spark of optimism that allows the community to problem solve these issues. And that resiliency comes from recent things like ice storms, wildfires, even COVID. But now they're bracing for possible impacts from the federal government.
From the federal level, we are anticipating more reductions in housing and Medicaid, and those are the areas where we're seeing gaps. It's going to be hard to overcome these issues with the likely reduction of resources that we'll see here in our local community.
As county commissioners grapple with the latest information, a coalition of 30 community members, public health officials, and more is being established that will focus on solutions. And those can be found on our website. Reporting in Eugene, I'm Aaron Ariano.